at Elias Woodwork, we take pride in our superior finishing. Our multi-step, controlled factory finishing process ensures consistent, beautiful, long-lasting results. Achieving that high-quality stain finish begins with proper and consistent sanding. If product is sanded too smooth, the stain will not soak into the wood very well, and if product is not sanded smoothly enough, the stain will soak into the wood too much. All your doors and drawer fronts are first sent through a sanding line that consists of 3 machines: a thickness sander, denibber, and orbital sander. First, the thickness sander uses 4 different grits of sanding paper and is calibrated to remove the appropriate amount of wood with each grit so that the scratches left by the lower, coarser grits will be sanded out by the higher, finer grits. The denibbing sander is designed to lightly break all the sharp edges of your product. This ensures your finish will not crack or peel off from these sharper edges and expose the wood. From there, they go through a fine grit orbital sander, which is designed to remove any cross-grain sanding scratches left from the thickness sander. Each door and drawer front is then individually inspected and hand sanded using an array of handheld orbital and detail sanders where needed. This ensures that all flat surfaces and profiles will accept stain in the same way. After prep sanding is complete, your products are ready for either staining or clear coat, according to the specifications of your order. Custom stain colors are also available upon request. When applying a stain finish, the correct color and look is ensured by first doing stain trials on scrap pieces of wood. Staining trials are always compared with an official stain color control standard. To maintain consistency, we keep 2 complete sets of color control standards on file for reference. One of these sets of control standards is safely stored outside of our spray facility for added protection from the degrading effects of light. The other set is kept in the spray booth and is compared to all finished product to help maintain color consistency. If necessary, small adjustments are made to the machine settings or staining technique in order to dial in the correct color and look. The majority of our stain finishes are applied with a machine-controlled spray staining process and then allowed to dry before top coating. We use this method whenever possible in order to ensure color and finish consistency. Another popular stain finish, called wipe stain, involves first spraying the stain onto the product by hand and then wiping it off. This process creates a unique, often rustic stain finish result that will show more grain-vibrant color variation. The same quality standards apply whether staining by machine or by hand. After the staining process is completed, your product is ready for clear top coating. The clear lacquer top coat is applied onto the product by machine while lying flat and typically involves 2 steps. First, a light seal coat is applied to protect either the stain finish or the raw wood in the case of unstained product. After the seal coat, the product is then lightly scuff sanded, which ensures the smooth, well-adhering final top coat that follows. The conversion varnish used for the top coat results in a very smooth and durable finish with enough elasticity to expand and contract along with the wood, which will help protect the wood for years to come. After each sealer and top coat application, product is transferred directly into a flash-off oven. This oven has a controlled environment and temperature, which helps each coat dry smoothly and evenly, while also preventing airborne particles from contaminating the finish. If a glaze is specified for your job, this is applied after the top coat. Glaze is a special finishing option that is sprayed onto the surface into all deeper edges and corners of your product. The glaze dries almost instantly on the surface of the product, and excess glaze is then rubbed off according to the glazing technique specified on your job. After the glazing process is complete, the product receives another final top coat of lacquer to seal in the glaze. Your stained and clear-coated product is now ready for packaging and shipping to your shop or job site. Thanks for watching our brief overview of Elias Woodwork's stain and clear coat finishing process. Order your sample doors and color swatches today and see for yourself the superior finish quality of Elias Woodwork products.